Good morning, students, and welcome to Q&I summer course. Students, let me first introduce myself. So, good morning, students. I'm Sunit Kumar, your mathematics teacher. And students, will continue with linear equation in one variable, which we were doing in the previous class. And we'll be continuing with uh, word problems, which we were doing. So, we'll see few more applications of linear equation in one variable. Let's start the class, students. So as I said, we are doing linear equation in one variable, and today is our lecture 5. Prerequisites for today's class is you should know how to solve linear equations. So basics of how to solve these linear equations by a method of transposition. And in today's class, students, we are going to do word problem applications of linear equations. So real life applications basically. So first question, because it has been 2 days since we have done math, so I'll do this question so that you uh, get a revision of what we were doing, and then from next question you can also attempt it. If you want, you can attempt this as well. I'm not stopping you from doing that, but yeah, I'll tell you how to solve these questions. So I'll quickly recapitulate all these steps which we were following. So step 1 was to read the question, note down what is given in the question, and then also note down what has been asked in the question. So the question says divide 34 into two parts in such a way. So if I am dividing 34 into two parts, let's say one part is x, then the other part is going to be 34 minus x, right? Because I'm dividing 34 in two parts. So if one is x, other will be 34 minus x into two parts in such a way that 4/7 of one part is equal to 2/5 of the other. So first of all, whatever has been asked in the question, let us assume it to be a variable. So that is our second step. So let x be one part, then other part is going to be equal to 34 minus x, right? Now, since we have got two parts, what has been given in the question? Now, whatever has been written in the question, that needs to be converted into mathematical statement and an equation. So 4/7 of one part. So 4 by 7 of one part, that is x, is 2/5 of the other, means 2 by 5 of 34 minus x. Is this equation clear to everyone? So whatever has been given, the statement which has been given in the question, that has been converted into mathematical statement and formed whatever, the data has been given, from that we have found an equation. Now what we are going to do is we are going to solve this equation. So how do we solve it? We cross multiply it, whatever is there in the denominator. So we will get 5 times 4x is equal to 7 times 2 times 34 minus x. Correct? So now 5 times 4x is 20x is equal to 14 times 34 minus x. Now what we are going to do, students, we are going to multiply 14 and 34. So if you multiply 14 and 34, you will get 476. So this is 20x is equal to 476 minus of 14x, right? Now minus 14x can be brought to the left side because, this is how we transpose, bring all the variables on one side. So 20x plus 14x is 476. 34x is 476. So x is equal to 476 over 34. If you calculate this, this is going to be 14. So one part is 14. The other part will be equal to 34 minus 14, which is equal to 20. So these are the two parts, 14 and 20. When you divide 34 into two parts, the first part is 14, the other part will be 20. Is this clear to everyone? Has everyone understood this? Lokesh, Venpa, Sudipti, Isabel. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, can you explain again? I joined a bit late.
Yeah, I'll explain it. So the question was divide 34 into two parts in such a way that 4/7 of one part is equal to 2/5 of the other. So 34, let's say the two parts is first part is x. The other part is going to be whatever is remaining from 34, that is 34 minus x. So two parts we have got, one is x, other is 34 minus x. Now the question says is that 4/7 of one part means 4 by 7 of x is equal to 2/5 of the other, 2 by 5 of the other, that is 34 minus x. So my equation is 4 by 7x is equal to 2 by 5 times 34 minus x. We cross multiply. We take the denominator on the other side and multiply. So 5 is multiplied with 4x and 7 is multiplied with 2 times 34 minus x. And we have solved this and got the value of x, that is 14. So first part 14 is known. Then the other part will be 34 minus 14, that is equal to 20. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Has everyone noted this down? I hope everyone has noted this down. Let's move to the next question now. So the question is, I'll read out the question, explain it to you. Numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator, right? If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So they have asked you to find the fraction. Let's say we have a fraction where numerator and denominator are there. Numerator of a fraction is 4 less than denominator. So you are comparing it with denominator. So here what you will do, you will consider the denominator as, let's say, x. Then the numerator is 4 less, means x minus 4. This is the value of numerator, right? And then they are saying if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, means x minus 4 plus 1 divided by x plus 1, it becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Quickly solve it and let me know the answer. So the numerator is related to denominator, and that's why we have considered denominator as x, and the numerator is 4 less than denominator, means 4 less than x, that is x minus 4. Okay. Please try to solve it, students. So let us form the, so I have first step we had done, whatever is given, we have noted it down. Now let us convert it into mathematical statement. So let x be the denominator. So if x is the denominator, numerator is 4 less than denominator. So numerator is 4 less than denominator, x minus 4. Now if 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, my fraction is x minus 4 over x. Now they are saying if we are adding 1 to both numerator and denominator, the fraction is going to be 1 by 2. So x minus 4 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 1 by 2. Is this clear? Is this mathematical statement clear to everyone, the equation? Okay. So now what we do is we cross multiply this. So you will get 2 times x minus 4 plus 1 means x minus 3. Right? 2 times x minus 3 is 1 times x plus 1. So this is 2x minus 6 is x plus 1. Take x on the other side. So we'll get 2x minus x is 1 plus 6, or x is equal to 7. So the denominator is 7, students. What does this mean? This means that denominator is 7 and your numerator is going to be 4 less than the denominator, x minus 4, that is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So the original fraction is numerator by denominator, that is 3 over 7.
So how did you get 6 there?
See, we have x minus, if you see this step, x minus 4 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 will be minus 3. And then you take 2 which is in the denominator, you cross multiply it with the numerator on the other side. So 2 times x minus 3. Now when you take 2 inside, it will get multiplied to x as well as 3. So you will get 2x minus 6. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay. Please note this down and then we can move to the next question. Yes, Ayush, 3 by 7 is the correct answer. So everyone has understood this? Venpa, Lokesh, Amji Shai, Sudipti, Isabel and Ayush. Okay. Now next question, you can try this question. The question is, Saurav has rupees 34 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins. So Saurav has rupees 34. Total amount of money which he has is 34. Rupees 34 in 50 paise coin. So if I convert it into rupee, this will be 0.5 and 25 paise. So in rupees, this is 0.25. If a number of 25 paise coin be twice the number of 50 paise coin, how many coins of each kind does he have? So here you can see number of 25 paise coin is twice the number of 50 paise coin. So whenever such relation is there, as it was, numerator was 4 less than denominator. So we took denominator as x. So similarly, 25 paise is twice the number of 50 paise coin. So 50 paise coin, take it as x. Okay. So let number of 50 paise coins be x and number of 25 paise coin be, it will be 2 times x because it is twice the number of 50 paise coin. So it will be, if the number of 50 paise coin is x, 25 paise is twice of that. So that is 2x. Okay. So once you have got this, now the value of, so let's say 50 paise coin, I have 750 paise coin. So if I have to find the value of money which I have, I'll multiply 7 with 50 paise. So that is 3 rupees 50 paise. 7 into 0.5 will give you rupees 3.5. So if there are number of 50 paise coin is x, so if the value you have to calculate in rupee, this will be 0.5 into x plus 25 paise coin means 0.25 into 2x, and the total amount which you have is rupees 34. So you will equate it to 34. So understanding the concept, understanding this statement is very important. So to get the total amount of money which you have, you multiply the denomination of that coin. Denomination means the value of that coin, 0.5, with the number of coins. So 0.5 into x is the value of money which you have in terms of 50 paise coin. Similarly, 0.25 into 2x will give you the value of money which you have in terms of 25 paise coin. And the total value of money which you have, you add both of this, you will get the total value, that is rupees 34. Is it clear? Is this statement clear to everyone? Okay. Now we'll solve this. We have 0.5x. 0.25 into 2 is again 0.5x is 34. So x is equal to 34. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1x. X is 34. So number of coins of 50 paise is 34. Number of coin of 25 paise is 2 times 34, which is equal to 68. So number of 50 paise coin, number of 50 paise coins is 34 and number of 25 paise coins is 68. Correct? Is this question clear to everyone? Have you understood the concept? Everyone, have you understood the concept of this question? Venpa and Lokesh? Lokesh has understood, yes. Isabel, you have also understood? Great. Let's go to the next question now. Try doing this question and then I'll tell you how to solve this question easily. Right? First, try it on your own. You have been doing these kind of questions right from class grade 7. So try doing it once on your own and then I'll help you with that. So you have to find the age of Kanwar and Anima. So Kanwar is 3 years older than Anima, right? So in these kind of questions, students, we always make a table. I'll make a table here. So whenever you get such kind of question, try to make a table, right? So we have Kanwar and Anima, 2 people here. Okay. So now there are 2 ages. One is the present age, right? And the second is 6 years ago. Clear? So we have the present age and 6 years ago. Now, what has been asked in the question? Yes, Lokesh, it is correct. Very good. So cover is 3 years older than Anima. So if you take the age of Anima is X, cover is X plus 3. Correct? Now, 6 years ago, cover's age was 4 times Anima's age. So 6 years ago, Anima would be X minus 6. Before you have, because you have to find age 6 years ago, 6 years back. So you will have to subtract 6 years from his current age, present age. So X minus 6 is the age of Anima 6 years ago. And age of cover 6 years ago will be X plus 3 minus of 6. Right? So now 6 years ago, cover's age is X plus 3 minus of 6. This is cover's age. Is 4 times Anima's age 6 years ago. 6 years ago, Anima's age was X minus 6. Is this clear to everyone? Is this equation clear to everyone and the table clear to everyone? Making a table is very important. See, this was easy. You could have done it without making the table, but when things are complicated, you will always have to make the table. It will make your life easier and you will not make any mistake. So when you solve this, we have X minus of 3 plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 is 4X minus 24. I have multiplied 4 with both X and minus 6. Take X on the other side and 24 on left side. So 24 minus 3 will become 4X minus X, plus X on the other side will become minus X, minus 24 on the other side will become plus 24. So this is 21 is equal to 3X. So X is equal to 21 over 3, which is equal to 7. So current age of Anima is 7 years and the current age of cover is X plus 3, that is 7 plus 3, that is 10 years. Yes, Lokesh, you are correct. I told it that at that time only. Your answer is correct. Is it clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Okay, good. I hope everyone has noted this down as well. Let's move to the next question, students. Try doing this question. I'll read this question for you. There are 90 multiple choice questions in a test. Suppose you get 2 marks for every correct answer, and for every question you leave unattempted or answer wrongly, 1 mark is deducted. So plus 2 for every correct, minus 1 for every not attempted or wrongly attempted question. Okay. If you get a total of 60 marks in the test, then how many questions did you answer correctly? Please attempt this on your own. No, Ayush, 30 is not the correct answer. So 90 multiple choice question in a test, how many did he answer correctly? So let number of correct answers be X. So number of unattempted or wrong answers will be equal to 90 minus x. Yes, Lokesh, it is correct. So number of correct answers is x and number of wrong answers or unattempted ones are 90 minus x. So for every correct answer, he has 2 marks. So x into 2 will be the total marks for correct, and total negative mark will subtract it. So 1 times 90 minus x. So let's say number of correct answers is x. So we'll multiply it by 2. We'll get total, marks obtained for correct answers. And then we subtract the marks which have been deducted due to wrong or unattempted ones. So 90 minus x are the number of questions which were wrong or unattempted. We multiply it with minus 1. So x into 2 minus of 90 minus x into 1. This is going to be equal to total marks which he got, that is 60. Is this equation clear to everyone? Forming the equation is, 80% of the question is done there if you have formed the correct equation. So understanding how to form the equation is very important. Means, you have to comprehend the question and convert it into mathematical statement. That's the most important step. Okay. So now, Lokesh, it is 50. You have answered 50. Now, why are you answering 60? So this is 2x minus 90 plus x is equal to 60. So 2x plus x is 3x and 60 plus 90. So this will give you 3x is equal to 150 or x is equal to 150 over 3, which is equal to 50. So that means total correct answers are 50 and wrong ones or unattempted will be 90 minus 50, which is equal to 40. So 50 is the correct answers. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? I hope everyone has understood this. Okay. Students, please quickly note this down. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll explain this question again to you. And if you have already understood it, then please note this down. Everyone should join with your name of the school as well. So Aparna, please mention your school's name and your class in your name. Which school are you from? Aparna, can you hear me? Please mention your school's name. So, okay, students, let's continue with the next question now. Now, this is a question based on concentration. So, I'll explain you the meaning of concentration first. Okay. So, the question is, how much pure alcohol be added to 400 milliliter of a 15% solution to make its strength 32%? Strength of a solution or concentration of a solution, what does it mean? Let's understand. So concentration or strength of a solution is volume of right? So here, what I'll give you an example. So because we are adding pure alcohol to water, so volume of pure alcohol divided by total volume of solution. So this will give you the concentration or strength. In percentage, you will have to multiply it by 100 as well. Clear? Now, what is being asked? How much pure alcohol be added to 400 milliliter of 15% solution to make its strength 32%? So initially, what is the amount of pure alcohol? That is 15% of 400 milliliter. Okay. So pure alcohol initially in the solution is 15% of 400. So this will be 15 by 100 into 400, which is 60 milliliter. So out of 400 milliliter of solution, 60 milliliter is pure alcohol and 340 milliliter is water. When you mix them together, you get a 400 milliliter of solution, right? Which will have 15% pure alcohol in it. Is it clear? Now, later on, the solution has 32% of pure alcohol and we are asking how much pure alcohol we are adding. So initially it was 60 ml. Let X milliliter of pure alcohol, X milliliter of pure alcohol is added. So in that case, percentage concentration now will be, because now we have added X milliliter of pure alcohol, the alcohol in this will be 60 plus X, and the total volume initially it was 400 and you have added X milliliter in that. So final total volume will be 400 plus X into 100. This is going to be equal to 32%. Is this equation clear to everyone? I'll explain it again. See, the formula for concentration is volume of pure alcohol divided by total volume of the solution into 100. So this is the formula to find what is the concentration of pure alcohol in the solution. Now in this question, how much pure alcohol should be added to 400 milliliter of 15% solution? So initially the solution had a concentration of 15%. Okay, so 15% of 400 is going to be 60 milliliter. Okay, so 60 milliliter is my pure alcohol which was initially present in the solution. Now let X milliliter of pure alcohol is added. In the question it is saying that we are adding some pure alcohol to it to make the concentration 32%. So let's say we are adding X milliliter of pure alcohol, then pure alcohol in the solution will become 60, which was initially there, and plus X, which we have added. Now total volume of the solution, initially it was 400 milliliter. We have added X milliliter of pure alcohol in that. So total volume will also become 400 plus X. Now the concentration is 60 plus X divided by 400 plus X. Means volume of pure alcohol divided by total volume into 100 is going to give me the concentration here. Into 100 will give me the concentration in percentage, which is equal to 32%, which has been given in the question. Now we need to solve this. Has everyone understood this? Isabel, Sudipti, Thamji Sai, Venpa and Lokesh. Ayush. Okay. So Let us solve this now. So if you solve this, students, you will have, multiply this 60 plus x into 100 is equal to 32 times 400 plus x. So when you multiply this, you will have 60 into 100, 6,000 plus 100x is equal to 32 into 4 is 128. So 12800 plus 32x. Now bring 32x to the left side and 6,000 to the right side. So you will have 100x minus 32x is 12800 minus of 6,000. So this is going to be 68x and 12800 is 6,800. Now x will be equal to 6,800 divided by 68. So that is 100. So that means you are going to add 100 milliliter of pure alcohol in this solution to make it from 15% to 32%. Is this question clear to everyone? Has everyone understood? Venpa, Lokesh, Hamji Sai, have you understood all of this? Okay. Good. If you have any doubt, you can always ask. Don't hesitate. Even if everyone has said that they have understood, you can ask. Every individual is different. So if you have not understood, please let me know. I'll reiterate this question and we'll solve it again and explain it again. Not needed?